I've had a passion for fireworks at a very young age. I was taking firecrackers apart and making my own cherry bombs and enemies when I was 12 years old. I shoot a 4th of July show. I shoot one show on water where all the pyrotechnics are put on docks and towed out in the middle of a lake. So I do some pretty special shows. I shoot hay rides where we actually fire the fireworks while we're on the hay ride with the rest of the people watching the show. I have a BS in Chemical Engineering from the University of Missouri at Rolla. I graduated in 1974, and I received a master's in Explosives Engineering in 2014. I also am a PGI, Pyrotechnic Guild International trained instructor, so I teach other people how to do fireworks displays. I'm also the president of the Missouri Pyrotechnic Association. The PGI meets once a year. They have a national convention where 1,000 to 2,000 pyrotechnic enthusiasts or hobbyists get together. They build their own. There are people there building shells that come in coffins. They're 6 foot long and 12 inches in diameter, weigh 250 pounds. And they compete with each other all week long, probably 1,000 devices to just get a trophy. At the end of the day, someone is named Grand Master, the best fireworks builder in the country. It's a really fun place if you really get into fireworks and like my class. I use a lot of course materials from the PGI, and of course they have classes at the PGI. There's over 50 classes there on building fireworks, on safety, on regulations. They also have all the materials needed to build fireworks. And I take a lot of what I've learned from the PGI and put it into my class. All 4 of the pyrotechnic classes are operated through the mining engineering department at the experimental mine in Rolla, Missouri. There's some traveling. The labs are done there at the mine. You get an opportunity to shoot professional shows with people that shoot fireworks for a living. They do proximity shows for local bands and local festivities here in town. In the choreographing class, you will learn to shoot fireworks to music and put that on in front of an audience. So it's all hands-on. All the pyrotechnic classes here at the university are hands-on. The mining engineering department, through their master's degree in explosive engineering, features 4 different pyrotechnic classes. They have a display operator class, a choreographing class, a fireworks manufacturing class, which is the class that I teach, and then a proximity class for shooting fireworks indoors and around rock bands and things like that. So if you're interested in pyrotechnics, there's a great opportunity to take any or all of these classes, and they're fun classes. None of them are required for the explosive engineering degree. They're all electives. So last year I got the opportunity to start teaching ATF agents. The university has went under contract with the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms to teach their explosive agents about explosives and pyrotechnics. They have a 2-year program with the agents where they take explosive engineering classes, they're taking regulations, and they've also chosen fireworks manufacturing because of the hands-on part of the class to make them familiar with pyrotechnics that they have to deal with as part of their job. After 2 years at the university and other classes that they take at other universities, they become a certified explosive specialist, and those are the agents that are investigating the terrorists and the bomb attacks and things like that in this country. And feel free to email me about questions or class times or any issues you might have before you sign up for the class. Thank you.